Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Infosys off-campus recruitment, that is 2021, and we will be discussing each and everything in detail. So if you still have any doubt or you found something difficult in filling the form, definitely you can connect with us in on Telegram or via personal message. Getting so after that, now talking about your Infosys recruitment, so we will be discussing what is the recruitment and what are the basic requirements. We will be discussing each and everything. So your freshers are eligible, yes, and after that your position will be information security engineer, means जो आपकी पोजीशन होने वाली है वो आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर की होने वाली है और जो आपके फ्रेशर्स होंगे वो एलिजिबल होंगे. Getting after that, if I'll talk about the qualifications, so your BE, BTech, ME, MTech and your MS are eligible. After that, if I'll talk about your experience, so as I already told you, your freshers are eligible and your 2020 and your 2021 batch are eligible for that. So after that, your job location will be pan India, and if I'll talk about your package, that will be your 3 plus LPA, that means 3 lakh LPA plus. So as you know, Infosys provides a good package, and after that there are a lot of increments. So now we will be discussing how to fill the form, so what are the basic details and what are the things which is required to fill the form. So guys, now let's talk about your the basic requirements. So talking about the things, so before that let me discuss some of the things also. That means some of the basic things are mean your that the students which are having the backlog, they are not eligible, yes. So I got some of the doubts from the students, so definitely that's why I'm explaining you guys, because I got. So let me check some more messages from the students. So what are the doubts? So yeah, one doubt is, sir, I have applied for Infosys in last 6 months, can I eligible? So no, you are not eligible if you have already applied in any of the position in Infosys or your Infosys BPM within last 6 months. Getting after that, I talked about active backlog, so there will be no active backlog. And one more thing, so there will be a specialization in cyber security, or it have to be a elective subject for the recruitment. Getting so these are some of the doubts so which I got from the students. So as I told you about the job location also, that is your pan India. And after that, now talking about how to fill the form, so you can see this is your Infosys site like surveys.in. So before that, let me tell you about some of your personal data, means that you must have with you. Those are your name, email address, phone number, candidate address, date of birth, roll number, plus your photograph, plus your resume and your educational qualifications. That means your 10th with CGPA, name of board and year of passing, state, country, each and everything. Similarly for 12th, CGPA, name of board. After that, diploma, if you have. Getting if you have diploma, then you have to write about the diploma. Or if you have the graduation, CGPA, your specialization, branch, institute, each and everything, and your passing year and your college and your state. Getting after that, means let me tell you about the shortlisted also. Mean for candidates shortlisted for interview, so your facial images captured during your interview. Facial images mean whatever जो आपका camera on होगा, they are talking about those things. And after that, you can see all those things, and we will be discussing now. So you can see there. So from there, what you have to do, this is your whatever gender, you can write your first name. After that, your last name is not compulsory. If you do not have, do not worry. After that, your primary email ID, so that is compulsory. And after that, your legal document, that means this is your last name. If you have any, then it's okay, or if you do not have any, so you have to repeat your name. Getting like if your name is ABC, so write ABC space ABC. Getting after that, this is your upload, mean you have to upload the image from there. After that, this is your resume, you have to upload. After that, your country, alternate number is not necessary. After that, this is your date of birth, that is necessary. And this is your citizenship. After that, did you have passport, yes, no, whatever. After that, this is your address of qualification, and this is your city, country, and from there you have to apply for that. That means this is your page. So let me tell you about some of the things. So your estimated time for that will be 24 minutes. So guys, as you can see, this is your second slide. So I have filled all the details, and after that, this is your second slide. So from here, what you have to do, this is your 10th school, board, country, state. This is your average, whatever you got in your 10th standard. And after that, this is about your 12th or diploma, mean whatever you have done. If you will select your 12th standard, then there will be the things like this. From there you will get all the things about the 12th standard. Or if you will select the diploma, so definitely from diploma accordingly you will get all the things. Getting so after that, now you can see if I'll deselect this 12th standard, so after that there will be things of diploma. After that, this is your university, whatever, and this is your branch, stream, passing month, year, and this is your graduation, whatever. And after that, this is your post graduation, but this is optional if you do not have, so do not worry about that. and after that this is your backlogs and your gaps in the education. So that means you do not have to click yes there, because active backlogs are not allowed in this requirement. So as I already told you about the requirement, so this is about all about what we discussed about. So as I told you, your job role is information security engineer, and your pay scale is 3 plus LPA. So from there you have to click on the next page, and as I told you, so this is the estimated time. In there are 91 questions, mean in the first slide I have completed the first slide, so there are 17, that means 17 will be there, and approximately 4 to 5 slides are there. So they have estimated the time as 24 minutes. Within 24 minutes you can complete it, and from there you have to submit. So from there you have to submit for the job. So this is all about Infosys. So I guess this is one of the good opportunity those who wanted to be in Infosys or in cyber security. So this is all about today's video. So we will be discussing some more videos on regular basis now, so do not worry. So subscribe the channel first thing, and press bell icon, so that if there is any notification, so you will get it earlier. So guys, this is all about today's video. We have discussed each and everything in detail, and if you have any doubt or you wanted to connect with us, so I'll provide the Telegram link also, so from there you can join. So this is all about, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, God bless you all.